Well, hello. I'm on the streets of Lisbon in Portugal. Or as they say, Lisboa in Portugal. I can't believe the weather. It's just like summer here. And this is December. And this is December, just about 2 or 3 days to Christmas. It's unbelievable. So if you're looking for a place to go to, to escape the winter blues, I can definitely say to you for sure, you will not be disappointed if you head on to Lisbon or Lisboa in Portugal. So this is a Castanhas stand. Castanhas in English is called chestnut. A chestnut stand here in Lisbon. Chestnut stand on the sidewalks of Lisboa. More of my walking tour of Lisbon in Portugal. So this is Rocio area, Rocio neighborhood. They call it Martin Muniz. Now, if you're Portuguese, please tell me exactly what is the right pronunciation. Is it Martin Muniz? Let me know in the comment section. It's a very big square where we have people who hang out. They hang out with friends, have a ciggy, take photos, do YouTube videos like I'm doing right now. Like I keep saying, I am particularly very impressed with the weather. This is December, and this is actually December just before Christmas, and the weather looks specifically beautiful. I can't talk enough of the weather. It's so lovely out here. I don't look like the locals with all this flaming red hair and everything going off. If you see what I mean. Yeah, maybe she's American. But anyway, enjoy, guys. Thank you. Right now I am in Rocio. It's a very big open space, and it's very lively. You have people just chilling, tourists walking around. Everybody's here. This is like almost a meeting place. And of course you've got the taxi ramps, and you've got a lot of stuff going on here. It's not chaotic, but you know, kind of chill place to be, a place to hang out. So I'm giving you a 360 panoramic view of Rocio here in Lisbon or Lisboa in Portugal. Enjoy. Now I must say this city really feels very safe. I don't feel threatened. I don't feel like I have to be worried about my own safety. It's really a very, very cool, chill, safe place to be. I don't mind living in a city like this, to be honest with you. I don't feel any of those negative vibes. It feels very safe to live here. So I'm here in Rocio. It's an open space. We have taxis here that can take you anywhere you want to go in the city of Lisbon. I just couldn't resist making this special video. Sunset over the beautiful city of Lisbon in Portugal. Enjoy. At the Christmas market, and it is very, very lovely out here. Everybody's on the street, moms, dads, tourists, including me. You need to be here. It is fantastic. I love Lisbon, or Lisbon as they call it here in Portugal. So friends, whenever you visit Portugal, please be sure to come and visit this whole place called Rocio. Earlier today I was by the seaside. I love you guys, but I have to end this video because my battery is running out. Oh my god! I hate it, but I have to. So I want to thank Daniela, who is behind the camera, who is helping out on this particular video clip as my camera person. Thank you very much, Daniela, and Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Daniela. Ciao, ciao. Love you. From Lisbon, Portugal. Bye. Hello, viewers. I am on the tram number 28. After a long day of checking out the city of Lisbon, I'm tired. I'm right now on the tram. I'm heading back to my hotel. Put my feet up, have a glass of wine, and have a good night rest. So thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you all